Hey everybody, Robin from Backscatter here, and I've got some pretty awesome news. Our Flip 8 underwater color correction filter system works perfectly on the new GoPro Hero 9 and its underwater housing. This kind of thing, never happens. GoPro changed their camera design, they changed their housing design, and we didn't have to do a thing. You don't need an adapter, nothing. Straight out of the box, Flip 8 works on Hero 9. So because I didn't have to make a nice long explanation video about this, I shot this instead. Enjoy!
In a world where the latest model of camera is announced right after you bought the current one, where changes in the camera body render your favorite underwater accessories incompatible, there remains one filter system that refuses to become obsolete. Introducing Flip 8/9. It just works.